Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the tester is powered and leads are intact. This prevents false readings. Once done, isolate the circuit and apply lockout/tagout if needed so you can work safely. Connect the earth lead to the main earth electrode and place the reference probe at the specified distance from the rod. Make sure the soil is moist or dampen with water to reduce resistance. These first actions let you capture reliable baseline continuity measurements and avoid repeat tests. You now select the correct mode on the tester based on what you need to verify, whether continuity, loop, or earth resistance. The mode determines test current and interpretation. Next, take measurements at several points, directly at the electrode, at the remote reference probe, and at metallic enclosures connected to earth. Record each resistance reading along with the test current and soil condition so you can compare against standards. Make sure to retest if values fluctuate more than expected. You finish by comparing measured values to acceptable thresholds and tagging components that fail. This tells you what to repair. If resistance is high, recheck clamps and probe contacts, clean corrosion, moisten soil, and repeat the measurement to rule out contact issues. Make sure to remove all test leads and confirm the area is safe before restoring power. One key troubleshooting tip: if readings jump, swap probes and leads to isolate a faulty cable or a poor probe contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.